Hi folks, Education is thrilled to introduce our superstar speaker Shravya. She's bubbly, intellectual, and a very balanced person. She's a supergirl on a mission. Let's hear out what she has to say about pollution and the impact of plastics. Here we go.
The year 2020. Has it been anything less than a movie trailer so far? The movie that I can mostly resemble this to is the movie 2012, which I saw as a school student. The movie 2012 scared me to the core. It made me think that I'm going to die in very few years, and what's the point in studying? But then unfortunately my parents didn't agree with me and made me study. Well, 2020 might not be the movie trailer, but it's definitely a trailer which I think is of how our future might be if we do not choose to act at this moment. Hi, my name is Shravya and I'm here to talk about the World Ocean Day and my pledge. 8th of June every year is celebrated as the World Ocean Day to bring about awareness amongst communities about our oceans and how to responsibly use them. Over the past few years, the number of trash and garbage that we as humans have been generating is increasing on a very rapid rate. This is mainly because the most number of garbage or the garbage that is created is something which is not decomposable. For example, plastic. Well, actually, plastic is not the villain in the real life. It's just that it's being misused too much. Garbage like plastic, which cannot be decomposed, usually ends up finding its way into our water bodies, like you can see on the screen right now. We, as humans, are slowly choking the marine life, and this is nothing less than a sin. Here, I'm going to talk about two things which me and my family are trying to adopt to make our house plastic free. Well, plastic is, as I said, not the villain, but we need to control the usage of plastic. Use it only when required. When I started thinking about this, it made me think, I'm not a huge corporation nor an NGO. What is it that me as an individual can do? Even if I start doing it, the other thousands and millions of people are not following. So what change will this bring? Well, when a lot of drops together, a little movement in the river can bring about a ripple, and that is also enough. Maybe we do not make the big change, but at least a small change, one at a time, can bring about the big change. Remember, every big thing starts with something small. The two things that me and my family adopted are: first, we have consciously started not using single-use plastic items such as plastic straws, plastic bottles, plastic covers. We ensure that every single time we go out, we carry a cloth bag because I do not want to pay those 5 rupees extra to a shopping brand to buy or purchase their branded plastic cover. Second, any plastic bottles that find our way into the house, we try and deal with it by recycling it. Though we have not found alternatives for bottles of shampoo, conditioner, oil, etc., we are looking at ways that we can recycle them. How do we do it? We give it to the experts. And India has an amazing chain of experts called Raddiwala, who know how to recycle your plastic bottles. Though these are just 2 steps that we have started, but I'm sure we'll slowly be able to adopt a better lifestyle where we reduce the use of plastic. So as I said, small changes can also bring about a huge change, but it all starts with one small step. Please think about what we can do as a community and share this as much as possible. Thank you.